Alright, so please note that what follows is not a complete review of the circuit from the stage 1 and stage 2 videos. It's simply meant to help you start building your review skills. So let's take a look. So we typically want to start with something factual. Okay, so you simply describe what has been created. And we could say the circuit diagram produced shows two 3-volt cells connected in series to form a 6-volt battery. This battery is connected to a light bulb. Now, although that seems really simple, and we've already written that down, I think in stage 1, it's really important to include this in the review, okay? Because you can't assume the person reading your report knows what you're referring to. So at the start of each section, you want to describe what is going on and what you're talking about. Okay, so the next thing you do is you say, well, let's say something positive. So the circuit diagram is neatly hand drawn with clear circuit symbols. But of course, you guys are working towards working in industry and being professionals. So hand-drawn circuit diagrams, they've got their place, but if you're producing a report, generally speaking, you want a more professional approach. So now you might say, however, the presentation of the diagram would be much improved by creating it in multisim or a similar program and exporting the circuit created as a JPEG or PNG or whatever file you want. Next, we note that no safety information is given. But then we can say, however, as the supply voltage is only 6 volts, there is a minimal risk of electric shock. No environmental information is provided. This would be vital to determine the kind of heat shielding, temperature protection, which could be hot or cold, and/or protection from the rain or moisture that would be needed. So you see, the idea is to make clear and reasonably concise points, but you start off with something factual, try and say something positive, and then try and say how the situation could be improved. So that way, even if you've done a brilliant job, you can still say how things could be improved or how the project could be extended.